All right, everybody, so today we're going to be covering the York unit right here. We had a no heat call, and after we came to diagnose it originally, we found we had a bad ECM motor here. To start off with really quick, we just want to verify that if it's either the actual motor here that we're having a problem with or the control board. If we took a look at your diagram here, you're going to see the indoor blower motor, you have your common, then you have your signals coming from your control board here. You have cool, heat, fan, and common. When you call for these signals here, so let's say for example you want to turn on fan only, you should have 24 volts between common and fan. For cooling, you'll have common and cool, and for heating, you'll have heat and common. So once you verify that you are getting a signal from your control board, the next thing you want to do is check your high voltage side. So that is going to be between your line here. So you got 230 volts coming in, and then you got your neutral coming out on your other side for common. So once you verify that, if you got power and you got signal, you know it's pretty much the ECM that is not working correctly. Another way that you can always check this is for the actual bearings here. Just kind of give it a little spin and see if it's stuck. You can see this one's not stuck here, but when we try it up, we're gonna see that it is not working, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so here we go. So I got it hooked up to where I can be hands-free a little bit. We got it between the common and the cooling side on our terminals. Okay, so we got a common here that comes over to COM on the board, and then you also have your cooling, which is going to be one of these speeds. Depending on how many CFMs you need, it's going to go to the cool. So we should be getting 24 volts there. So we're going to jump this out right here. So now we got that. Let's see, maybe one of my clips isn't reading right here. There we go. Yep. So 24 volts. Okay, so we're good to go right there. And then we're going to check the heating and the fan side. Okay, so we're going to check the fan side here. Okay, you're going to use the little jumper. Put it here. 24. All right, so now we know that we do have voltage coming from the control board signaling the motor to turn on. So now we're going to check high voltage. So let's see. So here we should have 240 volts. There we go. So we do have high voltage. So it's confirmed that the motor is no good, and we're going to replace it. Okay guys, so what we noticed here next is that you'll see in the videos, I actually didn't have the high voltage plugged into the motor. That was just because I wanted to focus more on checking the actual 24 volt signals coming in. I already knew how it was acting, so I just left that unplugged. Afterwards, we did get the motor replaced. Luckily, the unit was under warranty. We got that situated. Unfortunately, I did not get the actual video of it up and running afterwards because it was already getting kind of dark, and I didn't really want to bother since I was on the roof. So if you like the video, let me know what you think of it. If you have something specific that you're kind of looking for, also let me know. Sometimes people want to know more about the high voltage side, more about the low voltage, or if you need references to anything that kind of talks more about how ECMs work, I can always refer you to different videos. YouTube does have plenty of those that are available, and they are great videos. So make sure you subscribe and like to the video. Please help support me in this endeavor, as I am still learning as you are. Hopefully some of you guys learned something from this today, and it helped you out.